you are going to scan and upload your original official transcript through your core dashboard, please use these steps to make sure they are submitted correctly. Step 1. Gather all pages of your official transcript, including the transcript key or guide. Please remember that the key or guide may be on the backside of your transcript page. Step 2. Scan your official transcript using a flatbed scanner. Scan each page of your transcript, including the key or guide, per your scanner's instructions. If the key or guide is on the backside of each transcript page, include only one scan of the key. You do not need to scan the key multiple times. Repeat this step for each transcript if you have multiple college or university transcripts. Please remember, the department has a size limit of 3.5 megabytes per second per upload. You may need to adjust the size of your PDF or choose a lower resolution, or DPI, on your scanner to make sure the file fits this limit. Step 3. Save your scanned transcript as one PDF file to your computer. If you have transcripts from multiple colleges or universities, please create one PDF file per transcript and name them accordingly. Step 4. Be sure to review each scanned transcript to ensure the document is not blurry, that all pages are included, and that no pages have been cut off. Step 5. Upload your scanned transcript by logging into your account from the Ohio Department of Education website. From your core dashboard, select Click to View in the My Documents section. Then select Upload Documents. A pop-up window will appear. Select Transcript for the document type. Use the Browse tool to search for the PDF you saved to your computer and select it. Repeat this step for each transcript you scanned and saved as a PDF. Step 6. Review the transcripts you uploaded to your account. You will be able to select and view each transcript you uploaded through your core dashboard under the My Documents section.